Have you ever wondered what those tall, yellow blooming shrubs are in the early spring? Well, let's talk about it. This is an old-timey landscaping shrub called Forsythia. And I say old-timey because they used to be really popular because you would see them at all of the old homesteads in a lot of places in the United States. And they're actually a very long-lived shrub in the landscape. In fact, sometimes those forsythias have outlived the house that is now gone from that property. And they are one of these plants that will actually lose all their leaves in the winter, and the first thing they do in the spring is to bloom. Once those blooms start to fade, that's when they actually grow their green leaves. There are several different varieties of Forsythia now. Some of them are taller, some are shorter, some are more cold tolerant. This one's actually cold tolerant all the way up to zone 3, so that's really cold tolerant. I actually like to plant these in a corner or along the back part of a landscape bed. One, because they get tall, but two, because they kind of just fade into the background once they're done blooming. And then the other plants that you pair with them in your garden can take over as the weather warms up. But if you're looking for something bright and cheerful in the early spring for your garden, then Forsythia would be a really good choice.